Sasa,
Yes, we do that.
it's class level.
Okay, class, how are you?
Fine, sir.
No, it's invitation pay.
No, sir, no, sir. They are trying to lose money.
I wanted to withdraw. I don't run out of cash now. I thought this machine is paying, sir.
It's not
Besides
paid.
paying. I don't know. I was saying maybe yes, paying. I was just my children they are waiting for me. I just run out of cash now. So let me withdraw money. I don't know whether inside is paying. I don't want to pay. But it says pay 1,000 now. Pay 1,000 for 500.
They are out of cash for now. They want to lose money.
So you stay around here.
I stay around there, sir.
I'm done today. I just say no. I told you earlier that I have flat tire, so I just let me withdraw money. Well, there's no problem. I'll make use of US. You see there's no car, I'll make use of US. Okay, I'll make use of US. No, I'll take care, yeah.
No problem, sir.
Bye. What's the problem now? I'm just coming back for your stuff. What's the problem?
The reason is that I was unable to come. The reason is that I was not feeling fine. I'm having this headache. That is why I didn't.
Are you Daniel Emmanuel?
Yes, I am.
I know. You missed the class, right?
Yes, I do.
I know because class submitted your attendance and your name was not there. So what happened?
I was not feeling fine. I was not in good health.
You're not feeling fine. So you missed my test, right?
Yes, I did.
You missed my test.
Yes, I did.
So let's carry over because that assignment is for still. You know, my course does not have any practical.
So please help me. Help me. If there's any way that you can help me. Yes.
No. So everybody tells me.
Yes, I got the test.
So what do you mean the test?
Like I said, I was not feeling fine.
And that test is our assignment. I gave you as assignment. I have not tried. Take it home and you miss it. Well, I will consider since you say you are not feeling fine.
Yes.
I will consider that.
Okay.
So what you do, you join the other people that are going to write because there are a set of people that in class told me that they missed my test, about 20 of them. So about 15 of them. And they missed my test. Say about 10 people are already bought the test book. So you join them.
So when are they writing the test?
It's on Monday.
All right. I
It's
will
on
make
Monday.
sure that I attend.
It's on Monday. I was just looking for cash. I went to FCMB bank. I didn't see any cash. Where are you going?
I want to go and get something to add.
All right. You stay around here.
Yes, I do.
I don't stay around here. Don't come and find me. All right. Now no problem. Now let me go here. All right. Take care. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.